Okay, students, next lesson determinants. After your matrices lesson, next determinants. The concept of determinants was first introduced by Swiss mathematician Kramer. That is why he introduced this concept means to solve the system of linear equation by using matrix method. So guys, next let us see what is the concept of determinants. The determinants is every square matrix A associated with unique number. See here, every square matrix A associated, that means here every square matrix means the determinants is always square matrix. Square matrix means rows and columns must be equal. So guys, if you are solving determinants means the determinants must be square matrix. So guys, every square matrix A associated with a unique number is called determinants of a given matrix A matrix. So wise, and it is denoted by symbol like this. Determinants of A is denoted by like this, over or determinant of A over or delta. This delta also represented by determinant of a given matrix. So why here observe carefully, in determinants should be always square matrix. Rows and columns must be equal. So wise here, and one note point here, for a matrix A, that is determinant of A is read as determinant of A and not modulus of A. This symbol we can also call it as modulus, but in the lesson of determinants, this symbol we can read it as only determinant of A, not modulus of A. And second point, only square matrix have determinants. Already I told you. So why square matrix, only square matrix have determinant. Determinants is always square matrix. Next, this is your definition or concept of determinants. Next, how to solve determinants. If your determinant is order should be 1, order should be 2, order should be 3, how to solve those orders? Let us see now. That is determinants of a matrix of order 1. If your determinants of order should be 1, how to solve that? That determinant means, see here, let A is equal to, this is your matrix A is equal to, take elements A. Here we are consider order is 1. If your order is 1 means your element must be 1 only, that is row 1 column 1. So why this is your element 1, order should be 1 cross 1. Be the matrix of order 1, determinant of A is defined by equal to A. We cannot solve, why? Because A is equal to, if you are correlate this one, the value of A is equal to A only. Why? Because we cannot apply any condition here. Why? Because here element is only one element. So why is A is equal to, if your order should be 1 cross 1, we can equate this one, that is A equal to A only. That is simple when your order should be 1. Now next one, determinant of a matrix of order 2. In case your order is 2 means take here 2 cross 2 matrix. In generally take elements, determinant of A is equal to, matrix A is equal to, take 2 cross 2 element, A11, A12, A21, A22. Already you people are knowing that how to take these elements. Next, how to solve this 2 cross 2 element is, see here, determinant of A is equal to, take this is your matrix A. Here we need to find determinant of A means we need to write elements as like this, that is determinant of like these elements. Next, how to solve this one means here A11 into A22 cross multiplication. A11 into A22, rule is negative, that is minus A21 into A12, A21 into A12. This is your 2 cross 2 matrix by using determinant method, that is A11 into A22 minus this cross multiplication A21 into A12. So guys, here I take, why here I need to take a negative only, here I need to take positive only means, see here, this is signs plus minus minus plus. How we are taking like this means, see here, in generally we are finding signs is minus 1 to the power I plus j. I plus j as elements. See here. This is your in generally your elements, that is A11. If you are finding this sign as I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. So why is minus 1 to the power of I value 1, j value 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 to the power of 2 is plus 1. That is your place. Next here take this value 1, 2. I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2, 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 1 to the power of 3 value is minus 1. So why this is your minus. Next this one A21, 2 plus 1, 3, minus 1 to the power of 3 again minus. A2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4, minus 1 to the power 4 is positive. Like that we need to take here symbols. So why? If your matrix has determinants have 2 cross 2, like that we need to solve. This is in generally. I choose here one example. That is, see here, first example as 2 cross 2 matrix. Matrix A as 2, 4, minus 1, 2. 2 cross 2 matrix. Next, here we need to find matrix A is, so wise, matrix A is equal, determinants of A is equal to 2, 4, minus 1, 2. So wise, here apply here rule, that is 2 into 2, 4, rule is negative, 4 into 1, 4 into minus 1 as minus 4, already we have one more minus here, minus into minus plus 4, that is 4 plus 4, 8. Like that we need to solve 2 cross 2 determinants, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into minus 1, already one more minus here, minus into minus plus, so wise 4 plus 4, 8. Next I choose second example, example 2 in same 2 cross 2 matrix, x plus 1, x minus 1, x. Determinants of A is equal to x into x square, rule is minus x plus 1 into x minus 1, cross multiplication of these two minus cross multiplication of these two. Next x square write as it is, minus write as it is, multiply these two. X into x square, x into minus 1, minus x, plus 1 into plus x, plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Next here bracket, this is multiplication of this minus. Multiplication of minus as all the elements here. Minus into x square, minus x square, minus into minus, plus x, minus into plus here, minus, again minus into minus, plus. Multiplication of minus here. Next, plus x square, plus x, minus x cancel, remaining we are getting plus 1 only. Determinant of this value is 1. So wise, like that we need to solve. If your order should be 2, like that we need to solve 2 cross 2 determinant. Next concept is how to solve determinant of a matrix of order 3. If your order should be 3, how to solve the given determinants? Now let us see. Here consider one 3 cross 3 matrix. 3 cross 3, this is your 3 cross 3 matrix. This is your element of this given matrix, given determinant. Here also same method, how to get these signs of the given matrix. Take here 1 plus 1, that is minus 1 to the power I plus j. Take here 1 plus 1, 2, minus 1 to the power of 2 as plus 1. 1 plus 2, 3, minus 1 to the power of 3 as minus 1. 1 plus 3, 4, minus 1 to the power 4 is plus. In the same way, here also 2 plus 1, 3, minus 1 to the power of 3, minus. 2 plus 2, 4, minus to the power even is here also plus. 2 plus 3, 5, minus to the power of 5 as negative. That means take here, if given element as odd, if the given elements as odd, you are getting negative sign. Next, if the sum, if you are getting even, you are getting positive sign here. See here 1 plus 4 positive, that is 1 plus 4 even, you are getting positive. 1 plus 3 you are getting odd number. 1 plus 2 3 you are getting odd number, you are getting here negative sign. In the same way, third row also 3 plus 1 4, 4 is even, you are getting plus. 3 plus 2 5, 5 as odd, you are getting negative. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 is even, you are getting positive. So why? Like that we need to get signs. Next, how to solve 3 cross 3? Determinant is, see here, this is very important. Observe carefully. That is, first write first element as it is. A11. A11 write as it is. Next, determinant of here except first row, first column. If you are choosing here A11, except first row, first column, write remaining element. Except first row, first column, remaining A2 to A23, A3 to A33 remaining elements. Minus second element A12, except second row. Here, if you are now we are choosing A12, so why is except this line and this one, remaining element we need to choose here. A21, A23, A31, A33 plus A13. A13, this is your A13 except this one and this one. This row and this column. Then write remaining elements. A21, A22, A31, A32. So guys, I explain one more time here. That is A11. First I choose first row, that is A11. A11, I choose element here except this row and this column. This row and this column, I need to write these elements minus this one. A12, this is this column, this row, this column, this row, remaining elements, right? This one plus, this is your plus A13. This is your A13, this column, this row, except this row and this column, remaining elements right here. Next, A11, now this is your 2 cross 2 matrix. Already we are knowing that how to solve 2 cross 2 matrix. A11, right? Next, cross multiplication. Minus A12 cross multiplication plus A13 2 cross 2 matrix cross multiplication. Like that we need to solve determinant of a matrix of order 3. Next, I take one example. Same 3 cross 3 matrix. That is here 2 minus 1 minus 2, 0 2 minus 1, 3 minus 5 0. How to solve this 3 cross 3 matrix means, take here 2 write as it is. If you are choosing here 2, first row, first column, neglect, remaining right here, plus here rule is minus. Already you are all knowing that rule is minus here. Here already one more minus, minus into minus, plus second row, first column. That is second column, first row, except first row, second column, remaining elements right here, minus 2. This is third column, first row, except first row, third column, remaining elements right here. 2 write as it is. Next, this is 2 cross 2 matrix. How to solve 2 cross 2 matrix? That means cross multiplication. We are getting 2 into 0 minus 5 plus 1 into 0 plus 3 minus 2 into 0 minus 6. That is 2 into minus 5 minus 10, 1 into 3, 3, minus into minus plus 2 into 6, 12. We are getting, this is plus 3 plus 12 plus 15, plus 15 minus 10 is plus 5. This is your this is the determinant value of 3 cross 3 matrix. Next, see here, already I explained this note point. That is the square this is the signs associated to the elements of second order and third order are represented by minus 1 to the power I plus j. This is your I plus j as elements of the matrix or determinants. If you are adding I plus j, that is if you are getting even number, then your symbol is plus. If you are adding a plus j, if you are getting odd number, then your sign is negative. Like that we need to take here signs plus minus plus. So guys, we need to add these I and j values. If you are getting positive even number, you are getting plus. If you are getting negative number, that is odd number, you are getting negative symbol. These three are the how to solve first order, second order, third order matrix.